Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, please comment, like, subscribe, and share this information with somebody that you know, or even if you don't know them, because this information could be life-changing. Anyway, this question came to me from a guy that I often see at the gym. But this morning he asked me, Vince, should I believe everything that credit influencers say? Here, look. I've been on this earth for 53 years, and I've seen a lot of scams. I'm to the point now to where I'm very pessimistic about everything, especially everything that starts off with absolutes. For instance, I can remove everything off your credit report, or you can remove everything off your credit report. We can wipe the whole slate clean. When you hear things like that, of course, if you've been around a little bit, then you know that that this world is not filled with absolutes, to be quite honest with you. So anyway, I always say that you have to be able to distinguish between the difference of entertainment mixed with facts. Entertainment mixed with facts. You'll see things like, we have the artistic right, basically to embellish certain things. Look, most of the people that you see that are credit repair gurus or credit repair influencers really have never talked to anyone on the other side of the fence. They've never really talked to anyone that has worked in the dispute departments of Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion, any of those things. So most of the things that they say are them regurgitating things that they've heard in this industry on the side of other credit repair people that have started off by repairing their own credit and doing that type of thing. And you know what? That's okay. But unfortunately, there are a lot of myths that they're just passing on as, as fact, basically. See, what a lot of them don't factor in is the laws of statistics and coincidence, quite frankly. See, just because they may have heard something worked and then they tried it, and then out of 5 times you had it work one time, then they push it off as the new secret to credit repair, or this wonderful letter, or this secret letter that, that is going to change, the face of credit history. I can't stand all of that because it's a used car salesman type mentality. And quite frankly, I've never been able to look past that. It almost feels like you are insulting my intelligence when you come across like that. But look, it's entertainment. You have to understand that more than half of what you see on YouTube is for entertainment purposes, and on all the other social media, it's for YouTube purposes. That's what sells. That's what gets all of the attention. So if I haven't said it enough, don't misunderstand me. I'm not saying that some of the things that they say are not true. Some of the things that they're saying are absolutely true, but they mix a lot of falsehood in, and that's what gives the industry a bad name. Okay. So what I'm going to do is tell you exactly what you need to know. Here's what you need to know. Okay. Does credit repair work? Yes, it does. Will you be able to remove everything? No, you won't. Now, I have to clear that up because statistically speaking, 2% may actually clear everything up. But the law of averages does not put that in your favor. So I have to make sure that your expectations are correct. Most influencers don't want you to factor in the fact that a lot of these things do not work. And we will be talking about that later. Okay. Do you have to hire a CRO or a credit repair organization to fix this for you? Absolutely not. You don't. You can DIY it. Matter of fact, the laws are meant for you to do this all on your own. So you can always DIY it. But like me, I can do my own accounting as well. Do I want to do it? No. Would I rather have a professional do it? Yes, absolutely. Cutting my yard. I cut my yard sometimes. Sometimes I hire someone to do it. Changing my oil. I've never changed my oil. My dad does it every time. He looks at it as if I'm lazy because I won't change my oil, but he comes from a different time. So he changes his oil. Can you do that? Absolutely. Would you rather have someone else do it for you? Depends. Okay. But no, you do not have to have a credit repair organization doing this for you. You can absolutely do it yourself. Hey, look, full disclosure. Okay. I'm a credit repair owner. Okay. I have services that include DIY with AI programs to help you with that. I'm a credit repair specialist as well. But what I've seen online and on YouTube absolutely drives me crazy. Okay. And it makes all of us look bad, to be quite honest, because of all the misinformation that's out there. So I have decided to counterbalance that misinformation with realistic expectations to hopefully restore the dignity and trust back into this industry, because it is so important that you know this, and it changes lives, to be quite honest with you. It changes lives. So I'm going to be doing more videos about the myths that are circulating out here on this social media stratosphere. And I'm going to be dealing with some positive actions that you can take that, statistically speaking, will make a difference. Okay? Now, with that said, I don't want you to forget to like, comment, and please subscribe. I have a lot more information that I want to go into with you. But the first thing is to get started. I have to get started because the difference that I'm going to bring on this channel that's different than all the other credit repair channels you see out there is that I'm going to be bringing you perspectives from the other side. Not what I've heard, but my mentors are individuals that have worked with TransUnion in the upper management for disputing and have worked with Experian in the upper management for disputing. They're retired now, but they're now helping on the other side, basically to do what I want to do for you, which is bust through the myths so that we can restore the dignity back and the trust. Because what I don't want you to do is sit back and wallow in a situation just because your credit is bad and there's so much misinformation out there that you decide to do nothing. Okay, I don't want to keep this going too long. You know me, my name's Vincent Ford, and please subscribe and I'll be coming back to you. You guys have a great day.